Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode on your favorite channel, English with Altaf. Today, we are going to talk about something that many English learners feel worrying about how you sound in English. I know this feeling myself. I've often wondered, do I sound funny? Do people understand me? So, in this video, we will talk about why we worry about how we sound and how to build confidence while speaking English.
Yes, absolutely. This is one of the most common fears. Many students tell me, "Sir, I'm scared people will laugh at my accent or my grammar." Today will help you understand that you don't need to sound like a native speaker to speak good English. The goal is clear communication, not perfection. Let's break this fear together step by step.
When I first started learning English, I always felt shy to speak in front of others. I used to think, what if I pronounce something wrong? Or what if they laugh? Even though I knew the words, I stayed quiet. I thought everyone else spoke better than me. I didn't want to sound stupid.
And that's a very common experience. But you know what? Feeling this way is completely normal. You are not alone. Even people who speak English as a first language make mistakes. The fear of being judged often stops us from practicing, and without practice, we don't improve. That's the trap. But today, we'll learn how to overcome it.
One thing that helped me a lot was accepting my voice and my accent. I realized this is how I sound, and that's okay. My goal was to speak clearly, not to copy someone else's voice. I began focusing on expressing myself instead of trying to sound perfect. That small change gave me more courage.
Yes, that's an important mindset shift. English is a global language. People from all over the world speak it differently. There are Indian accents, African accents, Chinese accents, Pakistani accents, and they are all valid. It's not about sounding like an American or British person. It's about being confident in your own version of English.
I also started listening to myself. I would record my voice and play it back. At first, I didn't like it. I thought I sounded strange. But over time, I noticed progress. My pronunciation got better. My sentences became smoother. It felt great. It gave me motivation to keep going.
That's a brilliant idea. Recording yourself is a very useful tool. It helps you identify areas where you can improve. And more importantly, it helps you accept how you sound. Over time, you begin to feel more comfortable and more in control.
Another helpful trick was practicing with friends who were also learning English. We were all nervous, but because we were in the same boat, we supported each other. We laughed at mistakes, but in a kind way. We learned together.
That's very smart. A safe practice environment is so important. If you feel judged or embarrassed, your brain blocks learning. But when you're relaxed and supported, learning becomes fun and fast. Even talking to yourself in English while doing daily tasks can help a lot.
Yes, I used to speak to myself while cooking or cleaning. Simple sentences like, now I am cutting vegetables, or let me clean this plate. It sounds funny, but it worked. It made English feel more natural to me.
That's a great daily habit. And here's another tip: don't apologize for your English. Many learners say, "Sorry for my bad English," but you should never apologize for trying. You're learning, and that takes courage. Be proud of your effort. Exactly. People appreciate your effort.
That's true. When I stopped saying sorry for my English and started saying I'm still learning, people respected that, and most of them were kind and patient. They encouraged me. I felt more relaxed and more open to learning from my mistakes.
Exactly. People appreciate your effort. And remember, mistakes are part of learning. Each time you speak, you grow. Each time you make a mistake, you get closer to fluency. So don't worry about how you sound. Just keep speaking.
Another thing I learned is that our inner voice is often too harsh. We judge ourselves too much. But others don't notice those little things. They are just happy that you're communicating. So be kind to yourself.
Well said. Our goal is not to be perfect, but to be understood and to keep improving. Start small, speak daily, and accept yourself. Your confidence will grow with time.
So, friends, if you always worry about how you sound in English, just remember it's normal. But don't let it stop you. Your voice matters. Your ideas matter. Keep speaking. Keep learning.
In this video, we've talked about why we worry about how we sound in English and how to overcome that fear. We've shared practical tips like recording yourself, practicing daily, speaking with friends, and changing your mindset.
We hope this conversation gave you some courage and clarity. Don't be afraid of your voice, embrace it. With time and effort, you will speak English with confidence.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning and keep growing.
See you in the next video. Take care and speak with confidence.